Student wants to contrast the song Poor Miner's Farewell with the song Bring Him Back Home. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Musicians around the world have used protest songs to raise awareness about human rights violations. U.S. folk singer Aunt Molly Jackson released the protest song Poor Miner's Farewell in 1932. It exposed the unlivable wages and dangerous working conditions coal miners faced in Kentucky during the 1920s and 1930s. South African singer-songwriter Hugh Masekela released the protest song Bring Him Back Home in 1987. It called on the South African government to free Nelson Mandela, an anti-apartheid leader who'd been unjustly imprisoned. So the focus of the student is to contrast these two songs. So looking at the answer choices, option choice A says, the songs Poor Miner's Farewell and Bring Him Back Home both raised awareness about human rights violations. This answer choice is incorrect because although it is true that they both raised awareness about human rights violations, this isn't a contrast between the two songs. So A can be eliminated. B. While both are protest songs, Poor Miner's Farewell is about coal miners in Kentucky, whereas Bring Him Back Home is about the anti-apartheid leader Nelson Mandela. So this properly contrasts the two songs, because it highlights how the topic of these songs are different, where one is about coal miners and the other is about Nelson Mandela. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. Hugh Masekela's song Bring Him Back Home, released in 1987, called on the South African government to free Nelson Mandela. This answer choice is incorrect because it doesn't highlight a contrast between the two songs. It focuses singularly on the one song, Bring Him Back Home. It does not even mention the other song, so C can be eliminated. D. Released in 1932 by Aunt Molly Jackson, the song Poor Miner's Farewell was a protest against the unlivable wages and dangerous working conditions faced by the Kentucky coal miners. This, like C, is incorrect because it focuses only on one song, not on the other song. So D can also be eliminated. And thus the correct answer is B.